त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्य मामृतात्।
हरिः ओम्। गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपवस्त्रवत्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनम्। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराचरं च व्यासं शुभं गौडवदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमदास्य शिष्यम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तः पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदां च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तम्मदेवम् आत्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै चरणमहं प्रपद्ये। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करभावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। Pranams and namaskars to all the aspirants of Vedanta. We have seen up till now the mantras up to 12, and now we are going to see 13th mantra. Let me first recite the mantra, the Upanishad, Prathama Adhyaya, Prathama Valli, 13th mantra. Satmamagnim Tvargamadhyeshi mrityorbrabruhi tvam Sraddhadhanaya mahyam Tvargaloka amrtatvam bhajanta Etat vitiyena brihnevarena. We will now see the transliterated part in English. O death, unfurl thee the knowledge of the sacrificial fire, the entry to the abode of immortals, that which I desire as my second boon to be granted by you, sire. So thus Nachiketas makes his prayer for the second boon to Yamadharma. Now let us see the detailed aspect in the gist of the mantra. Now, Nachiketas is specific now about his second boon. He requests Yama to teach him the methods of doing the sacrifice to reach Swargam. Nachiketas addresses Yama, O Mrityu, you know the secretive knowledge of performing this sacrificial yajna, which is a ladder for attaining the Swarga, the heavenly abode. I am a very honest and scrupulous follower of the Vedic traditions and owe staunch allegiance to the scriptures and Vedas and the recommended rituals and related practices. I have heard that such practitioners have for sure attained Swarga. A state of attaining Swarga, the immortality here means the state of being rewarded for the adherence of karma and bhakti. Please teach me the secret, and this shall be my boon I ask for, and that constitutes the second in order. I seek thee. Like that, he makes a prayer. Now, to the above just what we have explained just now, we will slightly to elaborate it, we will go into further inquiry on this mantra. Our Sanatana Dharma prescribes duties to a person, firstly to satisfy the self, the individual, and the direct dependence, and then to the owings towards the society, and then for the very own intangible self in accomplishing the Purushartha. Even when a person chooses to undertake sannyasa, he needs to make provisions for his dependents and family, sufficient means to meet the basic needs during their survival. Nachiketas sets out an example to this practice while asking for boon. He firstly performed his duties to parents, wherein he ensured the comforts and the anxiety-free state of mind of his father. Nextly, he now goes ahead with his duties to society. Society encompasses persons of mixed knowledge, and some are karmakandis and some Vedantis. Now, he seeks guidance from Yamadharma for the fire ritual, which, when performed meticulously, is believed to take one to Swarga, and hence, for the benefit of all such devotees, he seeks the knowledge about Vaisvanara Agnya Karya. From next mantra, Vritti Bhagavan prepares to teach him the Agni Vidya. The Agni Vidya involves karmanushtana and prayoga, that is application of material usages to the satisfaction of the devatas, that is offered as oblations in the sacrificial fire. So, this way, Nachiketas places his second boon with Yamadharmaraja. I will once again repeat the mantra of this portion where Nachiketas places his request for the third boon. Sattamagnim Swargamet Mrityor Brabruhi Tvam Saddadhanaya Mahyam Swargaloka Amritatvam Bhajanta Etat Dvitiyana Brune Marena. Now, we will further go into the inquiry of the next mantra, that is 14th one, in the next episode. Till then, namaskaram to all the aspirants once again. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahabhirjam Karavavahai Tejasvinavati Samhadzuma Vidvishavakaihi. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om.